Hi, this is Nader. This is my first unboxing and review on this channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we have the all-in-one Redragon Zeus headset. You can use this bad boy for PC, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, your cell phone, and your tablet. Alright, let's get into this. Okay, so here we go. First thing we see is this box with this cool looking dragon. Inside the box, we have all of our wires. We get a splitter, 3.5 audio cable 1 to 2, a 3.5 audio cable. Next, we have a USB control box. I love how the wire is braided for extra durability. With this, you can instantly mute your mic, mute your audio, turn up and turn down your volume. The buttons are not hard at all. They look like they're made out of rubber, which is great. Here's the star of the show. The Redragon Zeus headset looks as beautiful as I imagined. I love the color scheme. Black, gray, and red are my favorite colors. So let's get them out and take a closer look. We have the Redragon logo on both sides. Aluminum frame. Another Redragon logo on the headband. Memory foam ear pads. Another awesome dragon logo inside. These can stretch pretty far, as you can see. The headband looks comfy, so let's try them out. To me, these are very comfortable. They fit my huge head and enormous ears. They're also glasses friendly. They won't squeeze your glasses onto your head like most headsets do. They do a great job at staying on, and they're not heavy on the head. You can probably do push-ups with these on. Almost forgot to show you guys they're also adjustable and can stretch even further. Okay, so here's the adjustable mic. You can adjust it to your liking. And here's my favorite feature. We got more cushion inside. You also get a Redragon PU bag for your headset. This is easily the best headset under $50. The mic is phenomenal, sound quality is great, and they're comfortable. If you guys are interested in buying this headset or any other Redragon product, my link is in the description below. You'll get 10% off your purchase when you use it. If you guys enjoyed my video, drop a like, comment what you think, subscribe, and click the bell if you're new. See y'all next time. Peace.